Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am packing for Japan. I am hoping I can get this video out while I am like in Japan, aka edit it tonight before we leave tomorrow. It is Wednesday, like 2 o'clock right now, so I'm struggling. A lot of things to do, but I thought I'd show you the outfits I planned and hopefully they actually work out for the weather because I just don't know. So yeah, I'm having a hard time, but I'm really excited about my luggage because I've literally been borrowing my mom's every time I travel because I didn't have my own set of luggages. And then thankfully Away agreed to work with me for my Japan trip. So I'm gonna show you guys my new luggages. All right, so these are the two luggages. This one is a size medium, so I'm gonna lend Travis this one for the trip. And then this one is a large. So this one's gonna be mine for Japan, but technically they're obviously both mine. I'm just being a wonderful wife. So I chose the aluminum one. So this is the beauty in all its glory. It has swiveling wheels, of course. So it does have like 3 hinges that keep it closed. Ta-da! Oh my god. It's so gorgeous. I literally have like never been more excited. I've never had my own luggage, so this is really cool. Alright, so I laid it down on the ground here. I don't really know what this is. What are you? Oh, I think it's its own little laundry bag that's attached. That's so cute. Okay, and then we have, I guess, little like partitions here that we can use. Ooh, okay, I see. So I can just like go like, so I can go like that, then cover it and still put stuff on top. Very handy. And then there's a partition on this side of the luggage too. So it's like a hook thing. And then I'll probably put shoes or something, or I think I'll probably put my clothes here and then put shoes and like beauty products on that side. All right, and for the medium size, I got a dark green. It's like a forest green, so pretty. So this one's a little bit different. It has the lock here for the zippers versus like the clasps for the aluminum one. So this one is obviously a little bit lighter when you look at the specs online because it isn't aluminum and it's smaller. So it has pretty much the same setup on this side, but it has a netting zipper versus the clips on the large. This one comes with its own little scuffy eraser. That's so cute. So now that I have my suitcases open, this is the mess I have created. So we're gonna start over here. So this is my airplane outfit. I have a pair of splendid joggers. They are tapered. And then an Everlane tee, which you've seen me wear. My Gap hoodie, the black one, with the little tie on the bottom. So this is the outfit I'm gonna wear when we land in Tokyo. Basically, we're landing later in the day, afternoon. So this is an Everlane tank. And then I am bringing my Wilfred cardigan. Not sure if it's gonna be too warm for it, but I'm gonna bring it just in case. I'd rather have more warm clothes than none. And then I am bringing my Levi's 501 skinnies, but in the 26, just in case I bloat on the plane. Next day, I am bringing this Gap t-shirt. I'm bringing a couple other t-shirts too, but this one's one of my faves. And then my mom jeans from Gap, the ones you saw recently on the Gap haul. Okay, so this is where I need your, not need your help because I'm gonna have to decide, but I can't decide between these 2 rain jackets. I got 2 rain jackets from Sports Check, a Hunter one and a Helly Hansen one. I have to decide which one I'm gonna bring now, so give me a second. All right, this is the Helly Hansen one in a size medium because I don't want it to get too tight around the armpit area, which I felt like the small was gonna do with sweaters and stuff if I wear it in the fall and winter when I come back. I obviously like this one because it's white and just like super clean, but it will get super dirty. I also really like Helly Hansen though because I know it's a super reputable brand, and so I know it's gonna be super well made. But then there is this hunter green Hunter rain jacket that is a little bit more of like a anorak / cargo jacket shape. I like how it's a little bit wider. It is shorter and I feel like it's a little bit more like city versus the other one is definitely more of like a heavy duty camping rain jacket. They're both like the similar kind of like really water repellent material. I don't know. So next up is another outfit for Tokyo, I think. Bringing my Wilfred cardigan, like the really short black one. I had from the holiday season. And then just a plain black tank, a really old one from Club Monaco. And then my dad jeans, which I'm gonna try on for you now. Alright, so I did a story on Instagram about these when I first got them. So I got these shortened. They were to the ground, and I mean, they were very like dad vibe, but I just felt like they made me look super frumpy. So I decided to get them shortened. So they were able to keep the bottom hem, so I still have like this little distressing down here. So I really, really like the dad jeans because they're a high rise, but they are still wide. They're not technically like they're not like a wide like culotte though, because they do taper in a little bit at the bottom, as you can see. They like come back in. So it gives you this really like masculine tomboy shape. So these jeans actually are a zipper fly. So not your typical button fly, but that's what I've seen. Like the mom jean had a zipper fly too. So I'm not surprised the dad jeans have zippers as well. This is 100% cotton, but the type of cotton is like super well washed, very like vintagey feeling. So I wouldn't say it's as stiff and uncomfortable as my 501 skinnies when I first started wearing them. Obviously they stretch out and get super comfy, but these ones, like, you get them and they're already very, very comfortable. All right, outfit number 5. I am bringing my Michael Stars muscle tee, plain muscle tee, and then I'm gonna be pairing it with my Gap Girlfriend chinos, joggers, whatever you wanna call them. Super comfy, super easy to pack and light to pack. And then this is another cardigan I'm bringing. This is the H&M oversized rusty brown looking colored one that I tried on for you in my haul. This is like a blanket cardigan, so I could probably wear it on the plane too if I wanted to. And then these outfits are starting to move into Kyoto. Kyoto, for some reason, is a little bit hotter than Tokyo, so I am bringing out my shorts. These are a mom jean shorts that you probably saw me wear a lot this summer. This is my oversized Wilfred Free button down. I'm just really hoping the hotels have an iron, which I think they will. And then next outfit, we are looking at my black linen shorts from Wilfred with this black muscle tank from Zara a couple years ago. And then I'm bringing just a black t-shirt in case. And then at night, when it gets cold, I'm bringing a pair of linen trousers just in case, and linen's super light, so I don't think it'll make a big difference. Then I'm bringing the black tank that I just got from H&M. You saw that on already. In the middle here, I have a pair of biker shorts if I want to end up wearing that instead of something else, but also to put under some dresses. So this is an old wrap dress, linen wrap dress from Aritzia. I'm not going to put it on for you now because I just don't have time to take off everything. And this is one of my favorite dresses I've gotten over the course of my life. This is an Isabel Marant Etoile dress. It's just super, super cute. Lots of pretty details, and it just fits really nicely, so I'm bringing that as like a maybe dinner outfit. And then we're going back to Tokyo, so I have this maid-worn shirt with this logo on it, and then my new engineered Levi's that I am going to put on for you guys now, that I got shortened. So this is what the Levi's engineered jeans look like on. You can really see the shape of them now that they are cropped because they're not bunching on the bottom. So these ones basically go in even more than the dad jeans. They're almost like a little like circle round, which I think is very interesting. The reason it does that is because it has a hem that goes around like that. And because they are like the engineered ones, this material actually is really good at keeping heat. So they're gonna be really ideal for me in the Canadian winter. I'm super excited. So I asked about where you guys can find these jeans. Apparently they should be in like the main Levi's stores. Maybe not online yet, but definitely check the stores or call them to see if they have them. They're called the Levi's engineered jeans, baggy style. I'm wearing a size 25, so they definitely are true to size. Dad jeans, true to size 2. If anything, a little bit bigger, so definitely size true to size. Don't go up because you want it to be baggier, because they'll stretch too. And then I have one more shorts outfit. These are my Joe Fresh green shorts. They're just super comfy, easy to wear, tie on the top, elastic waist. And then I'm gonna pair it with the H&M ribbed tank you guys saw me wear in the haul. And then going back to a long pant outfit, this is a Wilfred tank that has the ruching on the side. I'm bringing a brown belt for all the other outfits, specifically this one though. These are my A Gold E 90s jeans in the white I really wanted to bring a white pair of jeans, so these ones are gonna be it. And then here I just have like my mismatch of extra shirts. A gray shirt, a gray tank, extra white tee, my Everlane tee, and then a pair of Nike shorts just in case we decide to go hiking. And then going colorful with my bathing suits, the orange one piece from J. Crew, and then the red H&M bikini that I brought to the cottage. I am also bringing my Pixie Mood fanny. Probably not gonna wear it on the plane, but just have it in the luggage so I can change it into it. And then these are the shoe lineups. I really wanted the Tiki's boots that they just launched to get here in time, but I don't think they did. I'm bringing the Blundstones for a rainy day. Tiki's swim flip-flops for swimming and maybe a light rainy day. The Tiki's Mia's, I think these ones are, I forget the name. I think they're the Mia's for like a nice night out. Checkered Van slip-ons, and then Nike sneakers for everyday walking. And then I'm also gonna probably bring my high top black Converse that are in my car. This guy is a new Pixie Mood backpack, the Kim, that I am going to bring on the plane and then probably use when I'm traveling too. So the beauty of the bag is that it can convert into a messenger. So what better to travel with than a bag that turns into two? All right, so those are the clothes I'm gonna bring. I think I've decided I'm gonna bring the Hunter Green Hunter Rain jacket because I already see scuffs on the white one and it's just gonna bother me. Probably gonna be returning that one. But yes, I got to go actually put this stuff into the away luggage now and do many other things. So like the video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram because I'll definitely be posting from Japan there like probably every day. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon.